Hi there, everyone. I'm your girl, Norleen. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and I'm here to take you on another of Jamaica's finest cooking experience. So, come along with me in the kitchen doing roti Guyanese style. All right, family and friends, welcome to WIMMS Kitchen. Now, today in the kitchen, it's gonna heat up a different way with a little bit of Caribbean flavor. I have my friend Veronica who will do the roti, and of course, your girl gotta drop the curry Jamaican style. All right, guys, we're gonna start with the roti dough because this takes the longest to prepare. So, in a large bowl, I have a kilogram of all-purpose flour. To that,
Baking powder. Okay. Just salt.
salt going in.
You could either use ghee. This is a Guyanese product.
Oh, it's a Guyanese product. All
Yes,
right.
manufactured in Guyana. Or shortening.
It looks smooth.
Very.
Oh, wow.
So it gives the roti a nice, makes it soft and flaky actually. Or some people use butter. Or you could even use the regular cooking oil. A little bit.
Pinching the flour, the butter, the ghee in the flour.
Now, guys, while this is happening, go ahead and press that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Follow me on Instagram at WIMMS Kitchen and on Facebook at Walking in My Mother's Shoe. Now, guys, if you like roti and curry, go ahead and drop some likes on this video. Today's food for thought comes to us from Matthew 28, verses 5 and 6. The angel said to the woman, "Do not be afraid, for I know that you are looking for Jesus who was crucified. He is not here. He has risen. Just as he said, come and see the place where he lay." And to that we say, to God be the glory. My God is alive. So, guys, you see the kneading process. In all, she used 2.5 cups of water to knead the flour into a dough.
Go back to seasoning of the chicken now while that rests.
All right, guys, the dough rested for about 20 minutes. And if you want to see how I do my curry chicken, please check the description box or click on this link. So, guys, after 20 minutes, we go to the second phase of the roti.
Extra size, the average size. Flatten the ends. When you do it like this, you flatten the end. Use a little dry flour. Roll out.
You can't talk to me when I'm done with this. I'm going to follow the and kind of roti for when I call you next time. I say, V, guess what? You'll be like, yeah. I say, I got
No, you
this.
got to call me to try it.
Oh, Jesus, that will be another story.
It as round as it could.
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm.
Throw some oil.
Cut it in the middle. So people, me a good student, you know? And then roll it in a conical shape all around. Around the road we go, around the road we go. Then tuck in the hands. Tuck them right in. Tuck in the rump part too. Flour in. Put him to rest. How long that going to stay to rest now?
We'll leave that another 10-15 minutes.
Okay, alright.
Because I was going to do a shortened version of
Alright,
it.
show me short version. Let's do
You
the
want-
short version.
So you take a bigger
Okay.
portion.
Uh-huh.
Same process, you roll it out.
Oh.
Guys, remember to leave your comment in the comment section, and remember to make sure your post notification is on at all times so you get them videos hot off the
Like if
stove.
you have a lot to do, then this one is...
Okay, that's the best way to do it if you have a lot to do.
Here you could use a ghee.
Uh-huh.
As
And,
well.
and oily too. Okay.
Here's what you do.
Okay.
But,
Alright.
and you do the same thing before.
And then tuck it in.
Guys, if you're enjoying the channel so far, go ahead and subscribe and check out other videos on my channel. So guys, after 15 minutes, we're going to start with the roti that was folded first. So we flour our surface. We'll use the palm and the inner tip of our fingers to stretch our dough in a circular shape. You continue to roll and change the direction of the dough in order for it to remain in a circular shape, and try to get the ends as flat as possible.
So you roll it out.
So guys, the tower has been warming on medium heat. We're going to use oil to grease the surface of it. So guys, the process is simple. As soon as the dough starts changing color, you flip it, oil the side, turn it over, oil the other side, wait until your roti begins to get color, and it's all done. All right guys, while that is cooking, we're gonna jump over another curry pot, and I'm just showing you the process. I have 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm doing about 4 pounds of chicken, cut up nice and good, and done marinate for about half an hour guys. I'm gonna stick it in the pot, medium heat, cover it to cook. All right guys, so now you see my roti of a light brown color. Now this is the process that is a little bit tricky. It's fluffing the roti. It's not as easy as it looks guys, because this is hot roti. You put it in the paper towel, fold your roti in a cup-like manner, and clap both hands together. The trap air gives it a nice flaky exterior. Now guys, I'm big on safety in the kitchen. So if you have not done this before, you can always use a juice jar with a lid. Cover it, put your roti in it, shake it until it gets flaky. You take it out, people, fold it, and put it on a plate. People, we're on to the next one, and I'm so loving this right now. I am like a child in a candy store, just enjoying learning how to do this roti.
Turn it over. Use this, or I'm going to show them one where I use my hand to flip it over.
Okay. Why? Rising up. Done? And then we go to the fluffing. People, it's a quick process. This takes like about 2 minutes.
Now guys, I'm testing out my skill, and I realized that it's not as easy as I would look. I wasn't even holding the rolling pin correctly.
And then, oh, girl, this is what I should be doing a long time. Well, that was almost an epic fail.
Wasn't a fail.
Skill, people. Skill at work, right? Look how quickly she got it on. Okay. Onto the
roti pan.
onto the tower. I'm gonna turn it down now. But I gotta get it.
So you could use your hand with your skill.
Oh,
Flip
okay.
it over.
Oh, this, people, please do not try this at home. This is skill at its best. Please do not try this at home, okay? These are for the expert.
So guys, after 20 minutes, the chicken is almost done. I'm adding some carrots, some bell peppers, some black pepper, and some garlic salt, and allow that to simmer. Now people, look at this. It's another of my favorite from our Jamaican Guyanese pot onto your table.
I sure hope you had enjoyed the time in the kitchen with me doing roti Guyanese style served with curry chicken. Thank you for coming along with us on this our Jamaican cooking experience.